Hi, I'm Karlabarrozo and welcome back to another episode of Sales Tip to Keep. And today we will talk about tips for real estate agent for selling an investment online. So are you ready? Let's get started. The real estate industry is one of the most enduring and consistent sector of modern business. Largely, this is a result of the fact that people will always need places to live. Despite its consistency, however, the world of real estate is not immune to change over time. Selling a house or condo online is now one of the most effective tools real estate agent and brokers have for marketing their business. As a real estate agent, it's important that you integrate new digital promotion channels into overall marketing strategy. By doing so, you will not only be able to promote your property listing to a larger audiences but also remain competitive with other agents in your area. Here are some of the basic tips and tricks you can use to build your real estate website and to use it promote your property listing effectively. Number one is to get your domain name. The benefit of domain extension is that they're specific. It's immediately apparent to all who see your web address that you're in real estate. New domains are particularly attractive to real estate agents whose personal names are already taken in the .com extension. Number two is to build your website or page. Once you've selected your domain name, you can start building your page. There are a few different options if you want a website. Like for example, do it with WordPress. One of the most popular options is WordPress, a content management system that has been used to build more than 1/4 of all websites worldwide. Keep your listing up to date, capture new leads with sign-up forms, engage with your buyers through compelling content, and the possibilities with the WordPress site are endless. And if you don't want to spend time worrying about technical aspect, you're in luck. You can even hire someone to build it for you. If you got the funds and would rather spend time focusing on your client, you can also have a site custom built for your real estate business. There are even a number of full services agencies that specialize in real estate website. This gives you the advantage of being able to construct your site exactly as you want. The expenses involved will be higher than if you were to build it on your own. Number three is to post the right kind of content. One of the most important elements of success is posting the right kind of content on your site. Content refers to the photos, videos, articles, tutorials, and other information on your website. Ideally, the picture should be taken after the house or condo has gone through a rigorous staging process designed to make it look its best. Staging can range from extremely simple, such as rearranging furniture, to much more comprehensive approaches like changing paint scheme. Beyond your picture, you should also consider posting additional visual content. Like for example, you can do video tours. You can give the buyer a better idea of the spaces within the house and provide a realistic walkthrough experience. In recent years, drone pictures and videos that show the roof and exterior of a home from multiple angles have also become quite popular. Finally, your real estate website should include links to relevant information about surrounding community. Statistics like average home value, crime rates, and school ratings will also be useful to any buyer trying to make his or her mind about a given house. The more information you provide, the better equipped your customer will be to pick out homes that suit for them. Number four is to attract buyers and sellers. With your site built and homes listed, you need to get qualified visitors to visit your listing pages. One of the easiest ways to do this is through social media marketing. Post photos and videos of new homes on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Be sure to provide a link to show your site in every post, as this will allow viewers to click through. Paid advertising can be quite useful for selling a house online. There are many other agent-tested marketing strategies, including search engine optimization, email marketing, blogging, or even unique business cards. The key is to find the right mixture of tactics that works for your business. Selling online is one of the best ways to get a higher price, as it allows you to broadcast your listing to a larger group of prospective buyers. Since homes that sit on the market for long periods of time become less likely to attract new offers, the best opportunity is to get a good price relative to the market value occurs in the first 2 to 3 weeks on the market. The larger the group of buyers you can reach during the critical period of time, the better your chances of getting a solid offer. So always remember, using digital marketing is imperative for anyone who wants to be truly competitive in the modern real estate space. Setting up a website, social media profiles, and other key marketing elements will help you reach more people in less time than more traditional methods. Use these simple tips for selling a house or condo online, and you'll be more likely to see more traffic, more leads, and more sales coming in. Thank you very much for watching. To keep you updated on our next video, you can follow me on my social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube account. See you on our next video. Bye!